Speaking of never buying a Rover, I was just going to show people on the internet what a rust-free disco looked like. What are you dealing with?
A rust-free disco.
A rust-free disco. Well, what's the problem now?
Well, the pair string cooler sprung a leak right here.
So the way you couldn't find O-rings for?
I found 4 O-rings for it, but that's not what it was. It took, all I had to do was take the radiator out. So
easy.
It was easy. It was an easy 2-hour job.
In and out, nuts and bolts.
Laying in the parking lot, no room in here as always.
Perfect.
Good times.
So yeah, buy a Rover or don't buy a Rover. Yeah, never trust big rust. Well, speaking of not big rust, here's the red 97 that was featured in the channel a little bit longer ago. Sold to a friend of ours who's got it here at Sports Car Workshops. Doing some upgrades, and I just kind of wanted to show you the frame because I said this was a pretty rust-free disco for the Northeast, and it's pretty rust-free. Just look at the floors, kicker panels, and everything. Now, rust-free doesn't mean leak-free. Those two things are not separate, and they do go hand in hand when rust prevention is at play here. But I mean, this thing looks immaculate. All the usual areas aren't bad. Body mounts are good. Frame's good. You know, a little bit of rust kind of starting on the rear tailpipe here, but he went with an old man Emu setup for the lift, springs and shocks. The guys here at the shop found some leaks and did some other minor repairs, but right now he's doing springs and shocks. He's getting some painted wheels and some 235s to kind of just set off the look. So, you know, just quick update on this one. It's a really good looking truck. I can't wait to kind of see what it looks like when it's all done. We'll be going out to RVA Rover's farm next month to do a little Rover adventure. So this truck will probably be featured on that as well as mine, Doug's, and RVA Rover, and a couple of the other guys. Probably Tyler's D2 as well if it makes it. But yeah, that's it. So that's a quick update here. Remember to follow along. We'll do some more interesting stuff with these Rovers as they finish getting fixed. These videos don't really come out in any type of order because everyone's trucks are usually broken. So that's all I got.